Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this easy to clean litter box. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Alright, so I got this thing kind of set up here, and it looks like you just pull this forward and the comb will kind of scoop out all of your clumping and all of your Tootsie Rolls or whatever you want to call them. And then in the back there's a tray that's going to catch it all, and you can just dump that into the garbage or into your little bags, however you want to get rid of it. Pretty neat. Alright, so I've set this thing up. I've filled it with cat litter, and I've used it once real quick to see how it goes, and the cats haven't used it yet, but I want to show you how this thing works. So you just pull it forward, and the teeth will get out any of the clumps that are in the litter. Then pull it into the tray, and then you want to pull it all the way, and then push it back, and when it comes back, it keeps the forks up over the top, which just smooths out the top of the litter again. So I'm going to leave this set up for a while. We're going to let the cats use it, and we're going to try it again. But I think it's going to work pretty good because it catches everything in the little tray in the back. I'll then be able to just take that and dump it right into the garbage or right into my litter bucket that I take and dump in the compost. It'll all work really good. Ellie's already checking it out. She thinks this thing's pretty neat. It's not as big as your other litter boxes, but I think you guys will figure it out. It's even got the little tray at the edge to catch the stuff on your paws when you get out. So the cats have now used this, and as you can tell, the little thing on the edge, this little protective thing, kept them from kicking it out and onto the carpet. So that's a pretty good thing. And now we're going to try this and see how well it scoops the stuff out of the litter. All right, here we go. So that worked pretty good. It did take out some of the extra litter, and I probably could have shook it a little more as I was going to prevent that. But it did get all of the clumps out, except for a little bit in the back. But honestly, the scoop sometimes misses little pieces like that too, especially just on one trip through. So yeah, I think that worked pretty good. I think the cats liked it because they've already used it, and it's only been here for about an hour. So definitely approve of this. So the next morning, I scooped it again, and I did what I said. I went really slow, did a little bit of shaking as I pulled it, and all of the clumps came out and none of the loose litter. It got all the loose litter fell back in because of the curved edge in the back there. It just kind of slid back down. And like I said, when the forks come back across, they're lifted above, so they kind of just level out the top of the litter. It works really nice. I do like this thing.